Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th section, Mugshot using facial recognition in ARKit 2.0. In this section, we are going to get hands-on experience with ARKit facial recognition. This is a bonus structure specially for you. The first video of this section is an introduction to ARKit face tracking, and we are going to set up some settings to enable ARKit in our project. The most important thing is AR face tracking supports on device version is that the AR face tracking is only supported on device versions of iPhone X or later versions of the iPhone. ARKit face recognition has 3 core modules: face anchor, face mesh geometry, and blend shapes. Face anchor is getting a point and placing virtual try-on top of the face. Using face anchor, you can get a center position of your head in the real world coordinates. You can use the position to place the virtual objects in the face. Face mesh geometry is used to create overlay mask on top of the face. It will be greatly helpful to get the list of vertices to create the face mesh. And finally, blend shape is nothing but the position and rotation of each small positions in the face. It supports nearly 51 bend shape coefficients. What are bend shapes? You might be wondering what bend shapes are. Bend shapes are the individual parts like left eye, right eye, and it has a value between 0 to 1. When eyes are closed, the value will be 0, and when it is open, the value will be 1. So, using these values, you can create an AR experience. Using coordinates by tracking, we can create fire blasting out of our eyes with these values. We will learn in deep in the upcoming videos. Now, we are going to set up the project. To do so, go to the Unity project where we left off in the previous section, or create a new project using ARKit repository. Double tap the settings and enable ARKit face tracking. And that's it. We have successfully enabled the face tracking. And that's the end of this video.